Good evening, dear students. We will continue with the topic moving an icon. To move an icon, we will click and hold the mouse button on the icon which we want to move. Now, then we will drag this icon to the place where we want to keep the icon and release the mouse button there. Our icon will be moved from the original place to the new one. Now, opening a program. To open any program, we will double click on the icon of that program, and that program will appear on the desktop screen in front of us, and we can start working in that program. Now, next topic is arranging the desktop icons. To arrange the desktop icons, we will right click on the blank desktop area. A menu will appear. This menu will appear in front of us. From this menu, we will click on the view option, and we will have a pop-up menu in front of us, from where we will click on auto arrange icons, and our icons will be arranged. Now, sorting the icons. Sorting icons means keeping the icons arranged in the alphabetical order. To do this, again we will right click on the desktop area. The same menu will appear in front of us, from where we will click on sort by option. Then we will have the pop-up menu. From this pop-up menu, we will click on name option, and the icons will be arranged in the alphabetical order. Now, setting the wallpaper. Setting wallpaper means changing the background image, or applying any background image on the desktop. To set the background wallpaper, again we will right click on the desktop area, and the same menu will appear in front of us, from where we will click on the personalize option. Then we will have the personalization window in front of us. This is the personalization window, from where we will click on desktop background here. After clicking here, we will get the choose your desktop background window in front of us. This is the choose your desktop background window. From here, we can choose the background which we want to apply on the desktop. Whichever background we choose, it will be previewed here on the monitor desktop screen, and we can click save changes to apply that background here. Now, setting the screensaver. Now, what is a screensaver? It is a moving picture that appears automatically on our computer if our computer is kept idle for a period of time. Now, to apply the screensaver, we'll again right click on the desktop area. The same menu will appear in front of us. Again, we will click on the personalize option. The personalization window will appear in front of us, and this is the personalization window, and we'll click on the screensaver from the bottom right corner. This is the screensaver. We'll click here. Then we'll get the screensaver settings window. This is the screensaver setting window. We'll click on the down arrow here to choose the screensaver. Whichever screensaver we choose, it can be previewed here in this window, and then we will set time here in the wait box and click on OK. Now, starting the app or application program. Now, we can start any application program or app installed in our computer to perform any task. Now, let us see how we can open the Paint program using the start menu. To open the Paint program, we'll click on the start button. The start menu will appear in front of us. From here, we will click on all programs. In the third step, we'll click on accessories, and then click on paint option. The paint application will appear in front of us like this. After we finish working in this window, we'll click on the close button, and it will bring us back to the desktop screen.